Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. It's been so long. Has it been like 2 weeks now, I think, at this point? Probably. So yeah, this is just a little update. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I will be coming back with videos. I'm not promising anything. So if you guys don't know and you don't follow me on Twitter, by the way, you can check out my website at Coding with Jamal, for sale.app, I believe, right now. I'll get a domain one day, but right now, too broke for that. But if you guys don't follow me on X or Twitter or whatever, yeah, I started my junior year of university. So literally a week ago, or 2 weeks ago now, I guess, I was at home and then the school called and they said, "Hey, you can come to school." And I was like, "Oh, okay." And yeah, it's like Thursday. I started on Monday. Um, been switching my classes around. I realized that I accidentally, well, not accidentally, but it was so last minute. I didn't realize I had four classes and three, three and a half labs, sort of. Hard to explain that one. Yeah, I was basically overworked and I was, the last day to drop classes is tomorrow. As I'm recording this, it's like Thursday, Friday at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Last day to drop classes. So yeah, it's just been a hectic week and I haven't had time at all to make content. Um, and also I have a little bit of a bummer for you guys, especially considering my most popular video on my channel to date right now is my Linux Toolbox video where I was writing a tool to automate things on Linux and sort of just having fun writing that in Rust. I'm sorry guys, I had to do it. I'm on Windows. Yes, I'm on Windows. And it saddens me, but to be honest with you, the simplest reason I can give you is that I just can't use Linux. I can't use it. Um, don't I want to use it, but I can't. And the reason is that there's too much software that I need at my university right now. Um, and personally, I've never enjoyed dual booting. I know that it's possible, obviously, and I've done it before, but there's something that just kind of feels wrong about having like two separate operating systems on the same computer to me. Um, because what happens is I end up like getting used to my operating system. Like I can get used to Windows and develop a workflow, but when I use Windows just for one thing and then switch back to Linux, it almost makes me like it's just annoying. It's annoying to have to like turn on your computer and remember, oh, let me switch to Linux and then use Linux, but then oh, I'm in class, let me go back to Windows. Like that just kind of bothers me, and I don't want to have to do that over and over. And if I'm going to be forced to use Windows, I can at least, just start playing games in my free time a little bit, maybe a little bit of gaming, Windows gaming again. Um, but yeah, so that's pretty much why. It's really just school though. Like there's like the whole Office suite, which I know there's Linux alternatives, but to be honest, it's just less of a hassle to just use the Office when I'm literally being graded on things being almost precise. And if there's a lesson that I need to use this specific feature of Office, like Excel, right? I have a class that's, over Excel and it's using Python and stuff. Um, I just don't want to deal with those pains of having to use Linux and then, you know, oh, my free alternative to Excel doesn't support this feature that I need in class to pass, and now I have to run VMbox and boot up, a virtual machine, which is going to be slow, and so that's going to annoy me as well. So it's just those kind of reasons of why I'm back on Windows. Although on the plus side, I do get to enjoy my favorite video editor, Filmora, again. So that's fun. And yeah, so I didn't actually have much to say in this video. I'm actually starving, so I'm gonna go eat some food. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know what was going on. I am working on a new project, so I'll probably make content on that. Although I am in Calculus 1 right now, so I'm also dying and having to study like all day. But yeah, more videos coming soon. I appreciate the support on my older videos. I will still continue the programming content and computer science related videos. We just won't be on Linux. So yeah. But yeah, I hope everyone's good. And yeah, look forward to the future videos. Subscribe. You can find all my socials on my website. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.